Hello everybody, my name is Amit and you are watching our video number 9 in this series of vocabulary building through Latin roots. In this one we are going to discuss what is condescending and what is supercilious and what is disparaging and there are many more. So let us get started and find out the meaning of condescending. Now, if you have been watching my videos, this is what I say all the time. You must be knowing what is this prefix, which is COM. COM, this prefix means together, right? And then you have what? Descend. Descend, descend and ascend. Ascending order, descending order तो आपने सबने पढ़ा ही होगा, यही है ना? Ascending and descending order में जब numbers को place करना होता है, what do we do? You know what do we do? Ascending and descending. So my point out here is com is together plus descend downward. So when you put condescending remarks against people, आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप उनको belittle करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. What is the word that I am using? Belittle. Belittle मतलब छोटा करना, छोटा आंकना, किसी को नीचा दिखाना. That's the meaning of condescending. आपकी टोन में वो होता है. If say you happen to be the boss and your one employee is late in the office और उसके आते ही आप उस पर टूट पड़ो, बोलो कि हरकत ही है तुम्हारी लेट आने वाली, राइट? तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे जिंदगी में. जैसे हमारे नॉर्थ इंडिया में ना, mothers always have this condescending voice about their children. एक प्लेट टूट गया, मदर विल से दैट ये ले बेटा दूसरा वाला भी तोड़ दे. आज तू एक काम कर, तू घर में आज सब कुछ तोड़ दे, कुछ रहेगा ही नहीं तो फिर तोड़ेगा कैसे? दैट इज एक्चुअली कॉन्डिसेंडिंग. बट देन देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट कॉन्डिसेंडिंग और अगर बाहर का कोई आदमी अगर आपको ताने मारता है, नीचा दिखाता है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? तो कॉन्डिसेंडिंग का मतलब हो गया किसी को बिलिटल कर देना. अच्छा, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्डिसेंडिंग, let us talk about supercilious. Supercilious is coming from supercilium. Supercilium. And the meaning of supercilium is your eyebrows. अगर आपको किसी को नीचा दिखाना ही है ना, तो देखो बॉडी लैंग्वेज में अपने आप आपके जो आईब्रोज होते हैं ना, वो क्या होते हैं? श्रिंक हो जाते हैं. जैसे आप आईब्रोज श्रिंक करके किसी से बात करते हो, आप नहीं करते तो कोई और करता होगा, कोई और नहीं करता तो कोई और करता होगा. बट अगर आईब्रोज श्रिंक करके कॉन्डिसेंडिंग टोन में, बिलिटलिंग टोन में बात करी गई तो किसी को नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश हो रही है. इज दैट ओके? सो कॉन्डिसेंडिंग एंड सुपरसिलियस, दे बोथ आर having the same meaning, which is to belittle somebody. So how do we remember this one? It is supercilium, which is the Latin root for eyebrows. And this one is disparaging. What is the meaning of disparaging? Disparaging is very simple. Dis is coming from multiple roots. Dis is against and this is called par. Par आप सीख सकते हो parity में. Parity, maybe disparity, and there is one more word which is at par. Parity is equality. Par is equal. Parity is equality. Now you know what is the meaning of disparity. Is this is against and parity is equality. So unequal is disparity. Disparity in the distribution of wealth in the nation. That's disparity. At par. Now understand, at par मतलब एक बराबरी पे. You and I are standing at par. यानी हम दोनों की डेजिग्नेशन सेम है, हमारी पोजीशन सेम है, हमारी सैलरी सेम है, हमारे सोशल स्ट्रक्चर में जो हमारी पोजीशन है वो सारी सेम है. एट पार, जो एक दूसरे के बराबर हो उसको हम हमेशा क्या यूज करते हैं? एट पार यूज करते हैं. नाउ ट्राई टू यूज दिस. डिस्पैरेजिंग का मतलब हो गया अगेन डिस प्लस पार. अगर पार का मतलब इक्वालिटी, डिस मतलब अगेंस्ट. अगर किसी को डिस्पैरेजिंग रिमार्क्स पास किए जा रहे हैं तो वापस मैं क्या बोला कि उसको नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश हो रही है. कुछ ऐसे remarks that should never be made, but then they are being made. They are disparaging in nature. They are condescending. The tone is condescending. The body language is supercilious, and the remarks are disparaging. So these three important words that we are learning from here. So this is what we have learned over here. Disparity, this is against, and then we learned par is equal, at par, disparaging, com is together, we learned this here in condescending. com जब descend के साथ में com जाता है तो क्या बन जाता है, this one, this m becomes n, and this Latin root supercilium is eyebrows, and this is where we have got this very fantastic word which is supercilious. So these are the 5 words that we have learned, which is disparity. The meaning of disparity is usually significant difference or dissimilarity is disparity. Whereas what is the meaning of parity? The equality or state being equal. Disparaging, what did I say? The belittle the value or importance of someone or something is disparaging. Condescending, showing or characterized by a patronizing superior behavior. What is the meaning of patronizing? Patronizing. This one is coming from patris, and the meaning of patris is father. फादर ही तो है जो इस टोन में बात करेंगे. अगर किसी से उस टोन में बात करी जाए जिससे हमसे हमारे फादर बात करते हैं, वी वोंट लाइक दैट्स कॉल्ड पैट्रोनाइजिंग बिहेवियर, पैट्रोनाइजिंग टोन, राइट. आप सब नॉर्थ इंडिया में जो लोग रहते होंगे ना, बोलते होंगे कि बाप मत बन तू, ठीक है. That's the meaning of patronizing. So this is what we have learned over here. Supercilious is patronizingly haughty. So these three words are synonym of each other. Condescending and then supercilious and then disparaging. इन तीनों का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी के बारे में किसी को नीचा दिखा देना, right? And at the same time we also learned parity and disparity. So this is what we had in this video. I have got these two words, number 1 and number 2. आप देखो कौन सा आप यहाँ पे फिलिंग कर सकते हो. Read it. And what is this one? And why was there no internal pushback at leadership that demonstrably had gone rogue? So what is this? The fact is that India's colleges have lately been exacerbating, we'll discuss maybe, more than ameliorating the widening of wealth and opportunity in Indian society. This is second one, which is disparity. Widening disparity, एक ऐसे disparity, ऐसी in inequality जो बढ़ती ही जा रही है, that's widening one. And why was there no internal? So what is this? Supercilious leadership that demonstrably had gone rogue, something which goes rogue, you understand, out of control, जिस पे बाकी का कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं होता है, that's the meaning of gone rogue. Nuisance create करना. Over here the meaning of exacerbate, the meaning of exacerbate is to make something worse. किसी प्रॉब्लम को आप क्या करना, सॉल्व करने के बजाय उस प्रॉब्लम को ही बढ़ा दें. That's the meaning of exacerbate. And what's the meaning of ameliorate? That is to do something so that the problem gets, the intensity gets diminished और वो solution की तरफ बढ़े. That is ameliorating. आप किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो आपका टोन ये हो गया. अगर आप किसी प्रॉब्लम को बढ़ाना चाहते हो, उसको खराब करना चाहते हो, तो क्या हो गया, exacerbating हो गया. Is that okay? So this is what we had in this video. And in the next one, which is very important, we will have many words. We will be talking about the roots of benevolent and malevolent, and at the same time this is what we will be discussing in video number 10 of the series. Thank you very much for watching this one, guys. Bye bye and take care.